Hi, this is Accutek, car audio visual in Winchester. It's a little video of a Hyundai i10. This car had a navigation unit in the car that was faulty, and you can't get a replacement unless you spend about £5,000. So we've converted all the switch gear to allow us to have the hazard switch and airbag facilities there, and installed a KENWOOD DMX80AXS into this. So that's a 9-inch screen with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto wirelessly. We've also got the steering wheel controls working, so that's all works fine, and forward and back track. The unit itself, you've got the standard Apple CarPlay facilities. You've also got, by pressing the home button, you've got FM, FM, DABs via the CarPlay or Android Auto. You've also got a camera input on this as well, which is quite a nice facility. If you'd like to have this done in your Hyundai i10, then please give us a call on 01962 886 900. Thanks for watching.